How to delete a post on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to delete a post on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch TikTok app and make sure that you sign in to your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now from this uploaded video, choose a video or post that you want to delete on TikTok. Suppose if this is the post that you want to delete, simply navigate to three dots at bottom right. You need to swipe until and unless you do not find the option of delete. Tap delete button and to confirm tap on delete. You can restore post within 30 days from Activity Center in settings. So that's it. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.